What makes this an interesting question is that there's a way to solve for this area of a trapezoid, or find the halfway point of the area of a trapezoid. There's a way to do that slowly and methodically using just triangles and rectangles and guessing, and you can get through it that way. And there's a quicker way if you recognize something about the shape of this. It might also help if you know the area of a trapezoid formula, but I don't think that's necessary. I want to logic our way through this. And actually, before I even do that, let's talk about the guess method. Okay, the guess method, which I don't recommend, is we say x equals 6, draw a line, calculate the area here, and compare it to the area on the other side. Okay, with x equals 6, it's not very reasonable, right? But maybe x equals 7 or x equals 7.5. I don't think that one's going to work, but maybe 7.5. Who knows? Maybe 8. I don't know. One of those might be pretty reasonable, but to really figure out which one it would have to be, you'd have to actually plug these numbers in and guess. So the 10-second version, if you're short on time, is just guess something that looks like it's in about the right spot, right? Use a rule of thumb. Second option might be to plug some numbers in and calculate your areas, but I want to suggest this as an option. Halfway between this point right here and this point right here is a point, the midline on that line, and if you average the x's together, 3 and 7, you're going to get 5. If you average the y's together, 9 and 3, you're going to get 6. Okay, so this is at the point 5 comma 6. And over here, let's average the x's and y's together. The average of 10 and 12 is 11. The average of 9 and 3, again, that's 6. So this right here is a very important feature of a trapezoid. And the area of a trapezoid goes something like this. Give me my pen. Pen, please. This is so annoying. Okay, there we go. The area of a trapezoid is equal to the average of the two bases, a plus b, 1/2 a plus b, times the height. Well, if you recognize that that average is just this line C right here, we're talking about some width times some height. And therefore, half the area of the trapezoid means we're just cutting this line right here in half. Okay, so where is this vertical line that I'm drawing? Where have I cut this average base, you can think of it, where have I cut C in half? Well, if C starts at 5, okay, it starts at x equals 5, it goes to x equals 11. What's the average halfway point in between those? You can just add them together and cut them in half. 5 plus 11 makes 16. 1/2 of 16 equals 8. So there's my answer, x equals 8. This is the line that cuts C in half. And since C is very directly related to the area, it also cuts the area in half.